Hello you guys, welcome back. I'm in my kitchen, hands are clean and washed, finna get ready to frost this cake. Yes indeed, bam. This was a requested cake that I was asked to make, but when I'm making me guys, it's a peach cobbler. So how are you today? I hope all is well and your day is going as you would like. It's still rainy and very, very foggy. I mean, the type of fog, you guys, if you wish to cross the street, that dangerous fog. You don't know a car be up on you before you know it. It was like that yesterday, but it wasn't that bad as it is today. So, I just hope a lot of folks are staying at home, cooking, getting ready for the holidays like I am. Because that's that dangerous fog. Especially if you're crossing the street. And they said that it would have been lifted at 11 o'clock. It's 1:30 and it's still foggy. So, a lot of people was looking for snow. But I think it's going to be 50 degrees today, 50 degrees tomorrow. I was talking to a friend of mine, and she said she's making some barbecue pig feet. And I was like, you go, girl. You go, girl. But that's what the holidays is for, you know? You cook things and for everybody in the house to enjoy that likes it. And nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with it. This is a season to be happy and thankful. We're in the land of the living. You woke up this morning. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I got up early this morning. I cleaned my house from top to bottom. Then was trying to watch A&E with all the cartoons. I had sat down for a minute. I said, let me get my butt back up because I have a lot to do. Then I'm trying to keep up with today's news and see everything's going okay around the world. I got some sweet potatoes over there as well. And believe it or not, you guys, I'm not a super duper cake lover. Not like a peach cobbler or some pie. I always been like that. When I started to get in my teenage years, it's like I started just not go to cake for my sweet. Hey, Binker! You finna eat? You finna eat, girl? I think it's the icing. But you know what my favorite cake is, guys? Hey, Mommy, you want to say hi? You can't say hi right now. I'm making cake. My favorite cake is German chocolate. I'm going to put it all back on this cake because y'all probably want to see it. My favorite cake is German chocolate, you guys. So I might make me one. New Year's. But the thing about it, I'll be the only one to eat it because don't nobody like that coconut that's in the icing. So I'm just going around the little edges. And under the cake. Y'all hear Bink drinking up that water. And I just finished drinking me some cold water when I was upstairs. Oh boy. You stretching here? Yeah, only stretch. Okay, you guys, I think I done icing this cake. Enough. Sweet dessert. So I will have to buy me German chocolate cake by the slice, but I'm gonna make me one. But that means I will have to eat all that cake, you guys. And then I'm not a cake lover like that, so that would be a waste. Okay, you guys. Here is my cake all iced up. And here's my rich and creamy frosting. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video. I'm going to let my cake sit out for a minute, you guys. Then I'm going to put the top on my cake, you guys. And I will be back with another video, and I thank you for coming and watching for me icing this cake. Okay, you guys. Bye-bye.